Hi, I'm Drummond Reed, and 9 months ago I co-founded ConnectMe, along with Joe Johnson, who's the coding genius behind it, and Mark Coluccio, who's the finance and operations guru. Just before South by Southwest in March, we put up a sign-up page for the ConnectMe beta, and in one day got over 50,000 users. It was so crazy, Naked Security asked if it was a scam. Then Mashable did a story on it, which led to All Things Digital doing a video interview. Everyone wanted to know, what is ConnectMe? Well, we're about to show you. ConnectMe is not a new social network. Rather, it's a way to connect yourself across the different social networks you belong to put you in the center. This is called user-centric identity, where you control the identity you share online. ConnectMe is pioneering the next step, socially verified reputation. It starts with social vouching, and here's how it works. First, you log in with one of your social networking accounts, Facebook, Twitter, or LinkedIn. We'll add Google Plus as soon as they have an API. Next, you add some tags for yourself. These represent the skills, interests, or passions that you'd like to be vouched for. Now you're ready to start vouching for anyone you know on any network you've connected. Just click their name. If they already have tags, you can vouch for them with one click. Or you can suggest new tags, the ones you're willing to vouch for. You also control how they're notified. You can send a public tweet or a direct message, post to a Facebook wall or a LinkedIn message, or say nothing at all. They'll see it when they next log in. As simple as this is, click by click it is building a web of trust, one that will work across the entire social web. We call this user-centric reputation because you are the one who controls your ConnectMe card. Use it anywhere on the web where your reputation matters. Our next step is a widget for Tumblr and WordPress blogs. We're also preparing a people search to help you find anyone who wants to be found by their tags. At this point, you're probably wondering, what about gaming? After all, reputation is a form of currency. A U-Michigan study showed eBay buyers are willing to pay 8.1% more for a seller with good reputation. So ConnectMe developed the Respect Trust Framework. It's the first legal framework for a global peer-to-peer reputation system based on social vouching. It guards against gaming by defining 4 escalating levels of trust based on social verification of identity and relationships. It also makes respect for privacy and user control a contractual commitment of all members. How important is this? The Respect Trust Framework was honored with the Privacy Award at the European Identity Conference in May. So how does ConnectMe make money? There's an old saying among VCs that privacy doesn't sell, but respect does. That's why ConnectMe is part of the Personal Data Ecosystem Consortium. We believe your reputation is so valuable, it shouldn't be owned by anyone but you. So ConnectMe is free to users. We generate revenue by enabling businesses to offer personalized incentives based on your reputation. It's a win-win because it's based on real trust and real relationships. What does this mean to Swift and the worldwide banking industry? We've been invited to speak about that at Sibos in the digital identity track, where we'll talk about joining the banking web of trust with the social web of trust. We look forward to meeting you at Sibos.